Welcome to the Getting Started series for admins. Let's start by explaining what exactly is Pacer and why is it better than other project management apps. Here is an example of what it looks like to use a current project management application. You create a list of tasks, which is your template, and you have to copy and paste that for every location where you're working on this project. If something changes in the middle of the project, you have to go back to every single location one at a time and update a task, and then change your template so that every location in the future receives this updated task. With Pacer, the concept works like this. You create one project, which is typically a deliverable, and inside of that project, you have a template of tasks. You publish this project to each location, and they all work on what's almost like a derivative of that template. If you have to make a change in the middle of the project, like task A turns to task awesome, once you make that change at the project level, it automatically adjusts every single task where that exists across every single location. Changing tasks, pretty straightforward, but sometimes you need to add an additional task in the middle of the project, maybe even in the middle of the process. Here you can see that we added task G and it fit nicely right in with all of the locations where the project is currently active. We can even omit some locations as well. What does that look like on the Pacer screen? Well, here on our company overview page, you can see that we have multiple projects happening, and we can scroll down and see that these projects are happening across multiple locations and teams within our portfolio. In the next few videos, we'll understand how we can create this in our own environment.